Big breaking news. India ranked 107 in FIFA rankings, draws against 189th ranking team Bangladesh, who are 10 men down in the SAF Championship 2021. Now this was the first match India played against Bangladesh, okay, in the SAF 2021, and we end up with a draw. 1-1 draw against 10 men, not 11, 10 men Bangladesh. And that too, Bangladesh scored a goal after they got a red card, not before that. So there is no excuses. At halftime we were 1-0 up with an amazing goal by Sunil Chhetri, and we end up like this. We end up losing the match. Basically it's a loss for us. I don't care, you all say it's a 1-point draw. It's a loss actually. According to me, it's a loss. We are such a high ranked team. We should be performing extremely well, but we are drawing a match against 10 players Bangladesh, not 11, 10 players. And we are allowing them to score a goal as if like we are giving them a gift. Away, you got a red card. Here, take one gift for you, one goal. For Bangladesh, this is a victory. Okay, it's not a draw. For them, it's a victory. They are 10 men down and they still end up making the game end in a draw. And that they score a goal. They score a goal after that they get a red card. That is what they have. They have that energy to try and get things back. What was India doing? What were we doing? That's the biggest question. I feel sorry for Sunil Chhetri. I'll be honest with you. I feel sorry for Sunil Chhetri. If he was born in any goddamn European country, okay, if he played for any European country, okay, he would have been one of the top class players, okay, he would be playing Premier League, La Liga, Bundesliga, all, even Serie A, the Farmers League, he would be playing. But alas, sadly, he's Indian, and because of that, he could not play in a Premier League and all, okay. His best chance he got was in Sporting, and that you have to feel sorry for him. When you have so bad competition, how can you excel? And I feel very sorry for Sunil Chhetri. Amazing goal, okay, amazing goal by him. He's always there at the right spot at the right time to score. Even in the ending dying minutes, amazing pass. He was trying to get that goal, but when with the tactics of the manager itself blunder, how can you win the match? I really feel sorry for Sunil Chhetri. Quality player with above 70 goals for India, for a country like, I don't think after he retires we are in huge trouble. I don't care who in ISL gets the emerging player or God, whatever you want to give them, or I can say he's the best player. I don't care. We are going to be in huge trouble the minute Sunil Chhetri retires, and I mean it. We have to hope that that he's continues like this, and hope that someone comes up. That's the saddest part. We don't have another apart from Sunil Chhetri. Everyone is like time pass players at the moment. There's no one who's interested in scoring goals somehow or the other. And our defense, I don't know what's wrong with them. Suddenly you are conceding a goal to 10 men Bangladesh. No good. I can't say any much to Sindhu, because what can he do when the defense is already, there's no creativity in the midfield also. We are lacking literally everything. It's just like our goalkeeper is amazing, our striker is good, and that's it, game over. Like the rest is Ram Satya hai. We have to think of something, hope that something happens. If we are drawing to Bangladesh, okay, we have to wake up, okay. If you can't win SAF tournament, you can't reach the finals and win SAF tournament, how are we supposed to win Asia Cup? Tell me, how are we supposed to win an Asia Cup if we can't even win against Bangladesh? Now next we'll be playing Nepal, then we'll play Sri Lanka, then we'll be playing Maldives. If we cannot win against them, okay, in this manner we play against 10 men Bangladesh, we draw. What are we expecting? This is like a tragedy. I'm telling you, this is a tragedy for Indian football. Okay, if we can't, first there was no one who wanted to telecast it, and I rightly think that was a good decision. If you play football like this, who wants to watch the match? Disappointing performance. Now we have to hope and pray that Stimac does something sensible, and we end up winning the one of the the remaining matches. Otherwise, sacking him is the only option. I don't know what he has given the board that they are not sacking him also. Get someone. Are you telling me in the entire world there's no other manager, okay, other than Stimac who we can get? That is the tragedy that is happening now with us, and I don't think that is going to become anytime positive in the future unless strict actions are taken. Okay, I'm giving Stimac the rest of the tournament. You do something, or you pack your bags and you go home, and we'll get someone else. I don't care that someone else is also bad, but you pack and you go home because your performance is bad. And let's hope for the best at the moment. Okay, if we don't perform well, I don't know what to say.